Here at Lokesh, we don't just build machines, we build possibilities that always bring solutions for your problem that you never thought existed. We are at Lokesh Machines Limited at Hyderabad. So this is a local company based out of Hyderabad, 40 years of legacy. We're going to have a quick sneak peek about the stall and what all we displayed at Lokesh. So on my right, we got a machine called S7, famously known as the drill tap center in our machine tool industry. The beauty of this machine is it's very compact, small, and also going to fit in your shop floor anywhere. It's a very fast machine known for drilling and tapping. The machine is mainly for semiconductor industry. With this, aerospace has become one growing industry in Hyderabad where everyone is talking about only accuracy, precision, and how flexible your machine is. VM11 is the vertical machining center, which mainly is to be accessed, known for the growing industry over here. This machine has also got a 5-axis rotary table, which is roller cams. It is a continuous 5-axis table. Since why 5-axis? Because you see it's going to attack each and every angle of the machine as well. And then here, the component that is actually running on the machine is an impeller. When innovation meets precision and machining. Over here we got a HAM9, a hybrid additive manufacturing machine. So we could say proudly it is made in India completely. We have collaborated with an education institute called RRCAT in Indore. This tells us how industry should work together. With the help of an education institute and with the help of industry, you can come up with beautiful solutions. So that outcome is this beautiful HAM9 we call. Proudly made in India, everything is Indian component machining as well. Aerospace and defense are such industries where the component are very expensive, and any error in the component means it's going to increase the cost of remachining. So this machine, wherever an error has happened in the component, you can print the lost material and machine it to its perfection. So that is why we call this a very innovative and a unique solution providing to the industries. The best application of this is any new product or a prototype you make. First, when you want to feel and visualize it, that's when this machine plays a very important role. You can see over here, this is nothing but a small sneak peek of our components, what these machines are capable of doing. Such are these, the many famous, you see the blades. So these blades you have got from the smallest size to almost to the biggest size, which can actually be done on our VMC and on our turning as well. You can see a very live example is the gun over here. This is a gun made body. This is the finished product, which is around just 2 kgs. And this is a block. It's around 10 kgs, 10 to 15 kgs. This, we were able to get a finished product of 2 kgs.